Hello, friend. Alchemy is like getting into a proper balance and unity where everything is equal, everything is possible, and at the core of it, there is our pure consciousness with its true will. So, this core is always within us. It is like an intersection point of all that is, all creation, all infinity, all eternity. And yes, at the center of it, everything is crystal clear. However, we also have our more changeful, more relative nature, which is like an aura which can change its shape, its form, its color. So, the alchemy is like aligning our aura. Yes, finding that proper balance between all aspects of our experience, which aligns to our core truth. And yes, and then our aura also starts to express more. Our experience, our expressions expresses more of our core balanced, harmonious, joyful truth. But yes, relatively we can get out of alignment with this and closer to alignment with this. And the further away relatively we get, the more bad we feel, the more complicated everything seems, and eventually we feel urged to come back to this alignment. And the closer we get, the more holistically good we feel, the more genius we become, and the more we realize our innate, peaceful joy in everything. So, in this experience of Earth, within those incarnations that we are experiencing, there is a lot of challenges which is actually designed to push us out of balance and then stimulate us to regain that balance. And with each fluctuation, with each oscillation, we gather new experiences. And then we bring those experiences back to home, so to speak, back to love, back to wisdom. We enrich our understanding of our core, and that we can call maturity. So, in this way, we are maturing our souls. And when we are conscious that this perfect balance, perfect unity, perfect truth is always here at the core of our experience, our fluctuations, our oscillations also becomes more conscious. It becomes like a very enjoyable dance where you again gather various experiences, various contexts, and bringing them home. And in this way, we are like weaving a body of light, our body of light around this central axis. And this is our experience of evolution, which allows us to expand our experience and our awareness about our grand role in all creation. So, yes, it is very exciting. So, I encouraging and reminding and inspiring to do this conscious dance, to remind yourself that you are perfect at your core and you can always find your way back to it and enrich it with all the challenges you face in this human experience. Your life can become very focused alchemical process when you really take the best out of everything. You are extracting gold out of everything and then eternalizing it within your body of light, which is again representing more of your eternal core. Therefore, it is also more enduring. It endures all kinds of deaths and allows your consciousness to again travel through creation freely. So, enjoy it and enjoy it. Bye.